I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional.
Baby, I'm home again. I thought that
Guys, let's do a room tour. Let's see what we have. Welcome to Langa Langa on the mountain. Here we have our beautiful couch. This is our bed. It's beautiful, guys. So nice. Let me open the curtain. How do we open this? Let's see. Okay. Let's open here. See how beautiful it looks, guys. So nice. It is so nice. Yes. This is the decor. I don't know what they call this. I don't know what they call it. Our wardrobe, the kettle, fridge, it's empty, and then we have coffee station. And what else do we have? Let's see. Here we have a plant. And this is our bathroom. So beautiful. Nice and simple. So nice. Even the chandelier, so beautiful. Okay guys, I love it. More especially our bed. I love this view. Let me go and show you guys outside. This is outside, guys. We have, let's see, nice nature vibes. It's giving nature vibes. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, Kiskawa. Okay. And then kwa Nali baby. We also have a pool. Hi guys, hi everyone. I hope you're doing well. For those who don't know me, my name is Ritimeti Manama. I'm Ray, and I'm here to brighten up your day. Welcome to my space, and please stay. Lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, we are currently at Langa Langa on the mountain. It's based in Haenertsburg. Haenertsburg is between Zanin and Polokwane, that side of Makuba's Kloof. So yeah guys, we are here just for leisure, just to chill and vibe. Also, we needed some, we needed some escape from the city. So yeah guys, we are here to chill, and already I love it because the place is so peaceful. It's only just me and Bay. I didn't even see any car outside, so I'm so happy guys. Welcome to a new vlog guys. Welcome. I hope you stay my loves. I hope you enjoy watching my videos because I'm gonna give you the vibes. Love you guys. It's giving Cape Town by the sea. It is beautiful guys. I love it. I love it. Wow, I can't get over this. I cannot get over this view. Wow, so beautiful. So guys, we are currently having a braai, and yeah, currently I'm charging my phone. We decided to put the water on a kettle. We just want to boil it so that we can use it to defroze the meat, so that it's not gonna take us time to cook, to braai actually. So yeah, I also decided to change into these shoes guys. So I came prepared. We came prepared guys. The meat tastes really nice. My husband used the 6-gun spice, and he also used this bottle of alcohol. It's a wine. So yeah guys, it's a white wine. Guys, we are now preparing to sleep. The time now is, let's see, I'm also currently uploading my vlog. Please go and watch it. It's gonna take 1 hour to upload guys. You see how much we sacrifice, like 1 hour to upload. It says 4 hours. So yeah guys, we have electric blanket here. I'm going to switch it on, and then after 30 minutes we are coming to sleep. For now we are just going to take a bath. Let me just put it here, the maximum temperature. Sorry guys. So yeah guys, we are about to nap, and after freshening up we are coming here to sleep.
does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh.
Morning guys, good morning. Let's go and have breakfast at Pancake House.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. Rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far. Luxury.
I'm wearing this from Zara, and I'm also wearing gloves from Shein, and the shoes. Kitsamrataka guys. I hope you are enjoying watching this video. So yeah. like so many activities. They have like zip line, horse riding. They also have fishing, a quad bike. They also have hiking. What did I forget? Yeah, these are the activities they have at Silver Mist, guys. Let's go and see if we'll be able to show you how it looks inside. So you see how it looks. Oh, there's my friend over there. Bargain Rosaya. Let's see inside. I hope there's no one sleeping. Hello? Is there anyone in here? No, there's no one. There's no one. They only have like 2 beds. No. Yo, Hashem. And then here you can have a braai. And then yeah, they have like so many tents. I'm sure they are 30 maybe. Let me not exaggerate. Maybe they are 30, because even that other side they have them. So yeah, guys, and if you don't prefer sleeping inside a tent, you can also book a house. I'm not sure if I'll be able to go on the other side where they have houses, like real buildings, but I will just see if I'll be able to show you. This is Silver Mist at Haenertsburg.
You want to boost stage out? Need to chawa ki donkey.
Yo, one tall. It was screaming. Here I am. Hello. Hello. Ooh.
The way you move the fire.